What's up, YouTube? If you're in the market for a really great utility knife, you might have been browsing your local big box store and come across a 2-pack of these DeWALT retractable utility knives. I did. That's exactly what happened. I was probably live streaming. If you didn't see it, we'll link a video here. Will I like them? Will they retract? Will they be awesome? Will they really have 3 times the blade retention? We'll find out in a minute.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and...
So I gotta say, one of the first things that caught my eye about this DeWALT 2-pack of utility knives, number one, was the made in the USA with global materials. Second of all, the price was right. I gotta tell you, fairly inexpensive for 2 quality utility knives. But are they quality? Because quite frankly, we don't have the package open yet. Let's open this thing up and see how it feels. It says, assembled in the USA with parts made in Indochina. Nah, it doesn't say that. I'm kidding. You know what we could do to open this pack? Could use my favorite utility knife. This is a Stanley, the 10788. I love this knife. Number one, does a lot of great things, but this utility knife is advertised as made in America. Totally, it does not say anything about with global parts. That's why I try to pick this knife up all the time. So let's use this knife to open these knives. What do you say, Nick? I tell you. This has a nice feel to it. I like the rubber overmold in these areas. It's actually feels better than the plastic on the Stanley unit. Bottle opener. Maybe it is a belt clip, you know. Additionally, is a belt clip. So here's the release to open the blade, where the blade compartment where the extra blades are stored. Can you see that? So there's 5 DeWALT blades in here. Ooh, they feel sharp. I gotta tell you, they fit in there snugly too. I gotta tell you, this feels nice and stiff, but I don't know.
Doesn't feel too secure.
It does. It feels pretty good. I gotta tell you. I like that rubber grip. You can really choke up on that knife if need be. I like that rubber overmold. You hear that positive lock? Pretty cool. So what you do is you push your blade guide all the way forward. And you push down here on this button, and it will release. This unboxing is not going too well. Now, quite frankly, it's stuck. I'm liking my Stanley better already.
There you go.
Guess it needed a little jostling. So let's see. You do have to push down to insert the blade. It locks in nice, okay? Let's push down. It's locked in. Let's retract it. I gotta tell you, the retraction and deployment button, this works pretty seamlessly. This feels nice, okay? My only issue is it requires a little finagling to get the blade to release when you could see me pushing down. If I pull, it's like you have to...
Not exactly quickly.
You know, it's brand new. Maybe it's, you know, just because that it's brand new. It needs to loosen up a little bit. It does lock in pretty securely though. I like the way it deploys. I like the rubber overmold. I like the bottle opener. I like the rubber jimping up top. You know, it's nice. There's a lot to like about the knife. I'm not necessarily liking the quick release for blade changes. Maybe it will loosen up. So this knife is kind of similar to the Stanley in that you push this button up top and the bottom opens up to store extra blades, okay? So that's very similar in that aspect. Let's open it up. The way the blades are stored are slightly different, but it's secure. Full metal construction. This is rubberized. It's not plastic, hard plastic. It does offer some grip. Deployment button doesn't feel that bad. Let's see about inserting a new blade. Okay, it's locked in place. Retract feels good. Deploy feels good. Detract, retract, deploy, retract. Feels good. The blades are sharp, very sharp. It feels nice and locked in place. Do not try this at home. This knife turned this packaging into frustration-free packaging. Pretty good. So let's see how quickly the quick release.
Ooh.
Much better than the other knife. Maybe we have a bad example over there. Locked in. Wow. Much better.
Pretty good.
What's the song, that Meatloaf song? 2 out of 3 ain't bad?
Yeah.
1 out of 2 ain't bad. I mean, this
Still
is
a little jiggly.
it's taking a little bit more effort. Is it a deal breaker? I don't think so. I gotta tell you, this feels better in the hand. This knife, its quick release, is much better. Maybe that's why they sell them in a 2-pack. Shakur. They seem nice. I like them so far, but only time will tell if they will actually replace my favorite utility knife, this Made in America Stanley. Well, I hope you enjoyed that brief overview of these new DeWALT retractable utility blades. If you're interested in checking them out, it's product number DWHT81270. Check them out. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Leave your comments below. Do you own these utility knives? Do you like them? Do you think they're junk? Do you think Black & Decker should just keep on making this Stanley instead? Let us know in the comments section. If you like our content, get subscribed. But as always, thanks a lot, and have an awesome day, gang. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.